Hi, this is Jennifer with KnitCurio, and today we're going to learn the long-tailed German twisted cast-on. The German twisted cast-on is very similar to the long-tail cast-on, but there is a little bit of a twist. So what we're going to do is grab a length of yarn that you would need for the amount of your project. A handy tip I like to do is measure it against my body by casting on 20 stitches and unraveling those stitches and to see how many stitches I would need for a longer project, and that would be the length of yarn. Today, just for a little bit, we're going to start. You can either just wrap the yarn around your needle without a slip knot, or if you'd like to try it with a slip knot, you can do so by doing just a twist in your yarn, making a loop with your other tail, bringing it through, and pulling. And then go ahead and put it on your left hand needle and tighten it up. Keep the tail closest to you to avoid confusion. And we're going to start off just like the knitted cast on, where you're going to peek between the curtains with our finger and our thumb, and then grab the rest of the yarn. Bring it down like a upside down pyramid. And now what we're going to do, instead of grabbing the first leg, we're going to go underneath both stitches, and then we're going to loop back under the thumb. And as you can see, it looks like a little twist. Then we're going to turn our thumb down, grab that index finger, and bring it through the hole. And you can drop it and pull. Again, to reset, peek through the curtain, grab the tails, bring your yarn down to form a pyramid or Eiffel Tower. You're going to go under both stitches of your thumb and then go back through the hole into your thumb. Turn your thumb down. Go around the index finger and go directly into that hole. And you can drop your thumb and you can adjust. This gives you a little stretchier fabric than the long tail cast on, and it gives you a very nice decorative edging. Again, going down under both legs, then go back under your thumb and twist your thumb down. Go around your index finger and go through your hole and let go of your thumb. Again, around, through your thumb, twist your thumb down. Around, through the hole, off. And there is the German twisted cast on.